Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, J.K, and I'm here to show you guys how I moisturize my hair while it's in braids. Yes, we still need to moisturize our hair while it's in braids. How you expect to have length retention if your braids are old and dusty and crusty? So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding water to my scalp where the parts are in between my braids. In order to get moisture in with your hair, you do the same thing, right? You add water before you put anything else, right? So the same thing with my scalp. I'm adding water to my scalp so that, it can take in all that moisture, girl. So as you can see right here, I'm not making any shortcuts. I am making sure I get every little inch of my exposed scalp wet with the water. Alright, so if you already seen my last two videos, if you haven't, go check it up. I'm going to send the link right at the top for you right there. Click that button. You'll know the products that I use. So of course, again, I'm going in and oiling my scalp with the Melanin multi-use hair oil. I highly recommend y'all get this because, girl, this oil is so light. It's not greasy. It's amazing. My hair loves it. My scalp loves it. And yes, girl, we want to get up in that kitchen. Do not forget about the kitchen, the back of your head. Alright, it is time to use my handy dandy Nature's Blessing. I've been using this since I was 3 years old. That's right, since 1999, your girl has been using Nature's Blessing. And guess what? It's never failed me. So my scalp needs a little bit more attention than just oil. Any type of oil I use on my scalp is very dry. Therefore, I need to add more moisture. Nature's Blessing is a great grease that's not too heavy. And did I say it's all natural too? Did I mention that this is not sponsored? No, Nature's Blessing is not sponsoring me. I have just loved their products since I was a toddler, or should I say my mom. So yeah, I need to just shout out that company because that is my staple and will forever be a staple. I did not forget, we gotta get in that kitchen again. Do not forget about your kitchen. So the last thing I put on my scalp is the Sulfur 8 grease, the medicated, the yellow one. I put that on my scalp and it's nice and cooling and tingling. I've been using it for like a year now. And I feel like I'm getting great results. And it also feels good on my scalp. Alright, now it's time to moisturize the rest of my head. And so I'm just adding water into my braids. Yes, water. I'm adding water, agua. Yeah. So I usually add aloe vera spray, like I have water in a spray bottle with aloe vera, but I couldn't find the spray bottle, so I'm using just plain old aloe vera. You can find it at like any health store or something, just pure aloe vera gel. And I'm putting that all over my hair. And yep, you gotta make sure you get the ends of your hair, make sure you get the top. Like, don't forget, just because it's on your, excuse me.
Hi, here you go.
Oh, thank you. Can you put it on my bed?
This is you. This is you.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm doing my hair.
Did
you put her envelope?
Yeah, she put it on my bed.
She gave it to you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so we got my little sister here as a guest. But anyway, I'm using my leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair like I do always. If you haven't already, go check out my last two videos, and in my updated hair care routine, I show you in detail what products I use and how I use them. So I'm using my leave-in conditioner, and yes, I'm putting it all on the braids. People sometimes don't like doing that because then they'll get residue on it, but I'll show you how I get rid of it. Like right here, I'm just rubbing it in. I just rub it in. That's all you gotta do, girl. Just rub it in. And again, I'm using my hair cream, my Melanin Haircare cream. I love this. I never want to stop using it. So yeah, I'm adding that all into my hair. I'm concentrating on my ends too, because just because your hair is braided doesn't mean it can't get dry, it can't get crusty, it can't get old. You've got to take care of your hair no matter what state it's in. And last but not least, like all of my other hair care routines, I add in oil. So right now I've been using the Melanin Hair Care multi-use oil. I really like this oil because it is very light and it's not greasy. If you don't have this oil, just use whatever oil you like. I mean, I used to use olive oil. If coconut oil works for you, use that. If sunflower, girl, just do you. You do what your hair likes to do. Lastly, I put on a scarf to tame away all those flyaways. And that is how I moisturize my hair while it is braided, put away, put under a wig, put under a hat. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. And that was my cue to finish the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for how I wash my hair while my hair is braided. Alright, see you guys. Bye.
That's a toy and it's right here.